This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bridget Hicks. And Unit 3 has townhome open floor plan with kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and granite counters, living and dining, half bath and access to the screen enclosed porch and brick pavered patio. Perfect for entertaining. Upstairs is the master bedroom west/walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, garden tub with separate shower, 2 additional bedrooms, 1 additional bath and a laundry room. This is a gated Ryland Homes community with a resort-style beach entry pool, tot lot, walking trails, fitness center, and a beautiful clubhouse. Water and sewer, cable, internet, ground/maintenance, pest control and trash pickup included. Minutes from the theme parks and close to the airport, shopping, restaurants and plenty of entertainment. Whether you're looking for a permanent home or vacation home, come and enjoy the relaxed Florida lifestyle today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bridget Hicks at 407-876-2090.